it gets to be so hands-on and that there are so many opportunities if you're willing to just reach out and take them.
I'm in beef cattle production right now, and so we've been able to get a lot more hands-on experience with the livestock. So we've got into the pens, worked the cattle a bit, look at them, determine their body condition scoring, and just apply what we've been learning in the classroom to reality.
So they'll do everything from nutrition to repro to genetics. They're tour all of the different agriculture centers. And then by the time they're a senior, they get into different production classes. And so they can do things like dairy production, beef production, sheep and goat. There's 6 total that they could take. They just have to choose 2. And so they get a very wide array of classes within the animal sciences department.
We have programs that are all over the world. We have research in Asia, we have research in Africa, but we also have a lot of programs right here in Texas. And so it's not a small regional university in my mind. This is truly a global program that will give students just about any experience they want to have by the time they leave here.
So we actually go out to the greenhouse. That first greenhouse, when you go out there, is all ours. So everything that's in there, we've grown from the tiniest little stem or cutting or seed all the way up to what it is now. Allowing them to come out here and get those hands-on experiences, this is where it's going to take place. You can sit in a classroom and do some hands-on stuff back at campus, but it's not as educational, I think I would say, as it is out here.
A degree from the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources here at Tarleton State really opens doors to students almost anywhere they want to go. A lot of the students that I work with are going to go into industry. They may work in communications and marketing for agricultural organizations. We've got folks that will go and become agriculture teachers. There are all these opportunities that exist. That doesn't even touch the side of the equation where you're in agriculture, you're in production agriculture, whether you're working in farming and ranching or forestry, aquaculture, floriculture, horticulture, all of the different areas.
You don't have to even look hard. Just your teachers will be willing to help you find opportunities. If it's internships, if it's just stuff you're interested in, they're gonna be so willing to just help and further you in your education that you don't have to worry about it.
Get involved in the organizations because there are 1,000,001 out there and all of them have something great to offer. And second, get to know your professors, because the professors have so much knowledge that they can't just give you at the head of the classroom. If you have a one-on-one conversation with them, you can learn so much more information than what's in your textbook.